Prepare to witness the market's deepest secrets unveiled, not by mere trend lines, but by the very fabric of the cosmos. Imagine a universal rhythm, a subtle dance of energy that underpins all motion, from the celestial waltz of galaxies to the minute fluctuations of subatomic particles. This is the essence of cosmic resonance, a fundamental principle where specific frequencies and patterns naturally align, creating harmonic convergences that amplify or diminish energy. Our groundbreaking analysis reveals how these cosmic resonant frequencies manifest as fluxes within financial markets, guiding price movements with an uncanny precision previously thought impossible. What appears as chaotic market behavior is in fact an intricate symphony of energetic ripples, much like sound waves propagating through a medium. But how do we capture these elusive market fluxes? Through the power of squaring, drawing inspiration from the inherent geometric order of the universe. From the precise angles of crystal growth to the Fibonacci spirals found in nature, we have developed a proprietary system that visually represents these energetic squares as big energy bars on your chart. These aren't just arbitrary boxes, they are spatial and temporal containers, charting the precise moments and price levels where cosmic resonant fluxes are strongest. When these squared ripples align, they create predictable pivot points, areas of concentrated energy where market direction is most likely to shift. Look closely at the chart. Notice how these squares delineate periods of consolidation and explosive movement, and how the price often respects their boundaries before breaking out. This isn't magic, it's the application of universal energetic laws, now made visible and actionable, giving you an unprecedented edge in understanding and predicting the market's next move.
Welcome friends and traders. This is a 30-minute chart of ES market. It could be NQ or any market which has movement of interest. So what do we do here? We place this single bar replicator model where we are looking at a big bar, as you can see, and we know we have trapped the right energy by placing it on the big bar. And you can see this square, this energy, when squared, it is replicating and amplifying by doubling circuit phenomena. And what is going on is, when these lines, they cross, as one of the examples, at a given price, you see there's a convergence of time and price. Now these lines are not visible otherwise. It is the geometrical structure which is unfolding. If you put it here on the big bar, you can see the same structures. So this is now a different kind of a square, doubling square, meeting the same fate as the prior one. So you got the idea. Now this is also helpful in doing what we call as the timing scenarios, where we have this big huge bar visible here, and we can see that when this multiple squares have taken shape, we also see what we call as the timing event, where we see market is going up, comes down, market is going up, it comes down, and market was going down at the edges of the squares. It is trying to reshape itself by adjusting the energy outlay. Now, why do we have to worry about 30? Why do we do 30 minutes all the time? 30 minutes, 15 minutes, remember. In the next video, next episode, we're going to discuss the vortex mathematics a little bit. We have been talking about it. We will discuss that vortex grid, how it works, and how it works is how it works. Alright, so again, reaching out to the tops, reaching out to the edges, as we have seen here, right? Alright, and what do we do with these lines? Well, the market is going up, we're expecting it to come down. Let's be smart about it. And what do we do by being smart about it? We'll just look at it. Maybe I'm expecting some turn, it got delayed, but it came. Because remember, there's a squares of a squares of a squares. All right, so there's so much going on. Trying to trap this. Now this one came in the bottom. This bottom has come through so many waves, giving us the opportunity that hey, so much energy is piling through different squares. From this square, all the big bars or big squares we have been discussing, a lot of them have come in the same area to push the market up. And there we go again. So there was a very deep interest in this area. So that is all there is for now. There are a lot more implications, as you can see. Now if you have this big bar, now you can see this one pinpointed that as well. So we will discuss these phenomena as we move forward. For today, let's call it quits. Thank you, friends and traders.